Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add Twitter feed to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Twitter feed. So let's go to sign up for free, and just sign up with Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. Is really up to you. And when you're gonna do it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to write in search Twitter. And just click here Twitter feed. Let's create a widget. And now you can go between profile timeline, hashtag feed, testimonial, sidebar widget. I'm going with the profile timeline. Let's continue with the template. And you just connect your Twitter here. Really simple, right? Then go to the top right corner and click save. You can edit the style, the colors and everything. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do is just simply click plus, write code, and paste the code, and click apply. And now it's going to load for a while, but it's going to load and this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. It will load and it will take a while when you also add your own Twitter feed. Also I recommend guys check all the other applications from our site if you can find them useful. And yeah. See ya.